In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this lecture, we will be studied about the working capital management. Working capital management. And all the theories, concepts that are related to working capital. So the first concept is working capital. The working capital is the funds that we are required for our day-to-day operations of a company. We can find it funds that are needed for day-to-day company's operation. These are the funds that are needed for day-to-day company operations. Day-to-day company operations means these are the funds that are necessary for the smooth daily functioning of a company. Okay. Our next terminology is gross working capital. Gross working capital is basically the amount invested in the current assets is called the gross working capital. Amount invested in the current assets is called the gross working capital. All those funds, all those cash that are invested in the current assets of the company is called the gross working capital. Not in the fixed but in the current assets is called the gross working capital. The next terminology is net working capital. As net suggested, we have deduct something. And what we have deducting? In this, we have deducting the working capital. What is consist of working capital? Working capital is consist of current assets plus current liabilities. But net means deduction. In this, we have deducted current assets minus current liabilities. So basically, net working capital is a current assets deduction minus current liabilities. Hope so you are understand all the concepts of working capital management. Now we will be turned at what is working capital management. Working capital management. So the working capital management is the, as you know that working capital is the current assets and current liabilities. Working capital is all about the current assets and current liabilities. When the management word is mentioned with working capital, then we will be defined it as the administration of current assets and current liabilities. These are the some important terminologies that are we studied today. Hope so you get the conceptual clarity of all the terminologies. Please subscribe my channel and like it, share it. Thank you so much.